To take macro pictures on the Samsung Galaxy A57, let me quickly show you how we can get the best result. So don't use macro mode because we can only find here 8 megapixel resolution, so pictures will look pretty bad actually. Instead of the macro mode, click here when you are in the photo mode, turn on 50 megapixel mode, and remember to get good lighting condition. You can even turn on the flashlight if you don't have good lighting condition. Now I'm going to show you how it actually looks on my hand. So you have to just hold your phone, and I just forgot. Click and hold here and switch for 4x. Now click and hold your phone as steady as possible, and you have to just try to put it as close as possible without losing the focus. Now you have to click on the volume up button while holding your phone steady. And this is actually the easiest method. You can also try to zoom in even to the 5 times to get even the better result. And by clicking on the screen, you can try to catch the focus on the specific thing that you want to capture. Take the photo and take a look right now. As you can see, that's how it looks. Few different shots. This one is not good. This one is pretty good. And this one also. So I can see even some dirt on my hand. And if I try to do this actually with a macro mode, then take a look how bad it actually looks. We are gonna open it. Now we have to zoom in. Like this, we are taking the photo. And this is the photo taken with the macro mode. Honestly, in my opinion, this one it's much more detailed.